Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs. It's Tutorial Tuesday and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making these fun cloth candy canes for Christmas. They measure 3 inches by 10 inches, would hang nicely on your holiday tree, or as a nice decoration for any bowls or baskets you may have around. It's an easy project that goes together super fast and it's great for beginners too. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com to get the newest project ideas. And check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a written version of this project with the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable candy cane templates. My shop's also where you'll find my full collection of digital sewing and crafting patterns that you can download and print at home, making it easy to get started on your next sewing project right away. I've added links in the description below the video. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project you'll need fabric, fiber-filled stuffing, a hand needle and thread, and the printable candy cane template. First, place one piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. On top, place the other piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. Center the template on the stack and pin it well. If you're doing 2 candy canes at once, pin the templates well and rough cut around the candy canes. Then stitch the candy cane by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. Leave a section open below that upper curve for stuffing, and then remove your template. Then cut out the candy cane about 1/4 inch outside your stitching line. Notch the curves, and turn it right side out and press it. And fold the opening under and press it. Then use the opening to stuff the candy cane with fiber fill, filling it as full as desired. Adjust the stuffing away from the opening and hand sew the candy cane closed using a ladder or slip stitch, and then readjust the stuffing. And just like that, just that fast, you have reusable candy canes for Christmas. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.